Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So yeah guys, this is the Diwali makeup tutorial. I have already uploaded a glam look for Diwali. You can watch that video by tapping the I button above. But first, watch this video if you want to know how do I created this look. So watch the video till end and let's begin. So first I am using Lakme 925cc cream and it is in honey shade, which I am taking it at the back of my hand, and by dotting all over my face and neck I'm going to blend it properly. And guys, I really love this CC cream and इसकी कवरेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है and आप अपने शेड के अकॉर्डिंग इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं. And I'll mention all the product details in description below, so don't forget to check it out. So guys, you can see how nicely it blends, and you can also blend it with a damn beauty blender and it gives a dewy finish and I really like this. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in Natural Ivory and going to set my base with it, and I am just going to apply it all over my face and neck. So guys, now I am taking Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and from that I am taking this deep brown shade and going to contour my face. As you must be knowing guys, this is a makeup tutorial in which I am using only 7 products, and you can achieve this simple yet glowy and glam look for Diwali. And I am also going to contour my nose because I love doing it. After that I am taking this blusher by Color Essence and I am going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks, nose and chin. And guys, you can use the products whatever you have. It is not necessary to have the same products. After that I am going to brush my eyebrows down and I am taking the same brown shade from that palette and going to fill my brows. I am just going to fill my brows very lightly. I am not going to overfill them. So after that I am taking this shimmery shade from this palette and going to highlight my brow bone. And guys, इसके colors बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented हैं and आप ये palette ज़रूर purchase कर सकते हैं. After that I am taking this deep brown shade which I am going to apply it on the eyelid. And also this eye look is going to be really simple but glam. So I am just applying that shade on the whole eyelid. After that I am taking this very light shade on a fluffy blending brush and going to just blend that brown shade so that there are no harsh lines visible. Now at last I am adding that brown shade once again. After that I am taking this golden shimmery shade on my fingertip and going to apply it at the center of my eyelid. And you can see guys how pigmented it is. So after applying the shade, I am going to blend the edges of that shade with brown. Now I am again taking the same shade and going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and the same way I have done the other eye makeup. Now I am taking that brown shade in a flat small brush and going to apply it in the lower lash line just to complete the eye look. Now I have taken Lakme Absolute eyeliner which I have applied in the upper lash line. After that I am curling my lashes, and then I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara which I am going to apply it on the lashes, and I am going to coat my lashes pretty well. Cause today I'm not wearing the fake eyelashes cause I'm going to make it simple for you guys. But if you want to know how to apply fake lashes, you can tap the I button above and watch the video. After that, I have taken the same shimmery shade for highlighting my face, and you can see how pigmented it is. And I'm going to apply it on the cheekbone, nose tip, cupid bow, chin and forehead. So yeah guys, the glow is in front of you. Now I have taken Swiss Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick, which is in shade Famous Red. I'm going to apply it on my lips. As I have done the simple eye look, so I wanted to do red on my lips. And guys, you can see how beautiful this red shade is. So yeah guys, my makeup is complete and you can see how soft and subtle it looks, and I just love this blusher. It has pink shimmers in it. Just to complete my look, I have applied one black small bindi. So after wearing the hoops, the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and comment down below and tell me how much you like this look. And you can share the video with your friends and family and whoever who loves doing makeup. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in description below, and if you create this Diwali look, you can tag me there. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So guys, now you can check out that video which I have uploaded for Diwali glam look by tapping the I button above and enjoy that one. And guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I post every Thursdays and Sundays. So guys, if you like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Wish you and your family a very happy Diwali. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy guys. Till then, take care. Bye guys.